What is up, guys? We're back here with another video, and today we're going to be doing a review on this Cabelas fishing backpack. So, start off with the big pocket, if I can find it. I'm going to show you what I have in here so far. Bike pump. Selfie stick, portable charger. It's also solar. I have my pliers, lip grabbers, line cutters, and just in the back, the spinner rigs, or whatever you want to call them. Lines of spools, 14 pounds. And then I got some braided line, 20 pound. Now, I'm going to start off with the insides. Okay, so now we're starting in the inside. We have the pocket. Okay, then we have more pockets right here. Now, right here we have another pocket that opens up by a zipper, and it comes with tackle box. I'm going to start off with the first one. Have our rubbers. There's what I got so far. And now for the second one, it comes with 3 tackle boxes. The next one would be my top water, all my hard plastics, besides the frogs up there up top. But that is my collection so far. And now for this last tackle box. I haven't really got to it too much. I have my scale right here with the measuring tape. I have these glow sticks right here for these bells for like catfishing, or so you can just put them on your rod when it's dark. You'll be able to see it. So now we have the whole bag that's empty. Now we're gonna start off with the medium pocket, or yeah, right here. I'll show you what I have in here. So I have, where is it? Oh, we have all my hooks. We have all my weights and swivels. So now, right here, it's just an extra one I haven't filled up yet, but just have my spinners in there, you know, like trout fishing or whatever. Now we're going to the small pocket right here. I have really nothing in there besides, you know, these right here, the dividers for your tackle box. They are also removable. Do not lose them, you might need them later. So that's what I got in here so far. I don't think I have anything else. So now we're gonna come to this pocket right here, where got a little small pocket right here. I think it's like rubber or something. This right here is all your access to your tackle. You can grab them all out from here. But yeah, that's your access right there. Coming to this side, you have your fishing rod holder. You stick it right here in the back. And you have another pocket and another bigger pocket. And now for the back of the backpack, as you can see, you have all your padding, really comfortable padding. It feels like there's nothing in the backpack at all. But you have your pockets right here that strap onto your waist. Close this one. You have more little pockets right here. And then for the other one, I have some tire patches with some tire huggers or whatever you call them. I have some more patches. That's what I have in there. So this is it for the video right here. I'm pretty sure I reviewed just about everything for this backpack, or on this backpack. Probably besides this pocket right here. You can put your sunglasses in there. Really nice material, real soft. But this is it right here. I think it came out to like, I know it sounds bad, but it came out to I think like $70 at Cabelas. I know before it was around like 50, but I guess the prices went up, and plus taxes and everything. But yeah, so this is the backpack. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to smash up that like button, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and we'll see you in the next video.